And we're back to learning CapCut in here day 90. Let me add a default text here again. And the general approach to animating text is whenever you see the diamond icon, you can usually animate your text with this specific parameter, for example here for color or scale, so that would easily work. But be aware, sometimes this actually grayed out. For example, here with the shadow, if you open the dropdown, you can see we have diamond icons, but for distance and angle, it's grayed out. And when that is the case, you cannot animate this. And we can animate the shadow right here with its basic diamond icon, but even then angle and distance will not work. Let me show you one more example where it does work, the curved option right here. So we can bend the text 360 degrees. Then I make it 0 to have it straight. Another diamond icon for straight at 0 degrees. And one more at the end where we're going to curve it in the other direction. So this would be kind of like a manual curved text reveal effect. Then play it. But once again, this only works because we have this diamond icon and it's not grayed out. When you see parameters where it isn't available or is grayed out, then don't even try. You will not succeed. For example, here with the shadow angle, even using the basic animation for shadow, you will not be able to use different angle positions. And these are the basics of text animation in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.